Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Corinne here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a featured channel to your own YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you are notified of all of my future videos. But for now, let's get started. So make sure you're on youtube.com and you've logged in. So you'll see in the right hand corner here the logo for your channel. You just need to click on this logo and a sidebar will appear, and then you need to choose the option your channel. So click on your channel and this will take you through to your YouTube channel. Once the page is loaded, you will see there's a blue button called customize channel. You need to click this blue customize channel button and the page will then reload and take you through to where you can edit the featured channels section. So as you will see, here is the featured channels box on the right hand side. You'll notice I have already added a couple of featured channels, but today I'm going to add another one. So as you hover over the featured channels box, you'll see this edit pen appear in the top right hand corner. So you just need to click on the pen. It will bring up a drop down menu and then you need to choose edit module. Okay, so now your pop-up box will appear and it's got the add channels to section. So if you want, you can change this section title in the first box. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's call this subscribe to these channels. There we go. And in the second box, you need to add the URL for the YouTube channel you want to feature. So I already know what the URL is for the channel I am featuring, so I'm just going to go ahead and type it into the box here. But if you don't know what it is, you can go to the YouTube profile, copy the URL and paste it into this box. So okay, so I'm done with that, and now I just need to click this add button at the end here, and as you will see, the logo of the featured channel has appeared in this added channels section here. Okay, so I want this featured channel to be the #1 spot, so I'm going to hover over this channel and you'll see there's kind of 3 vertical lines in the top left hand corner. So I'm going to click on those and then I'm going to drag and drop this featured channel to the front of the list. Okay, so this all looks good. I have my section title, I've got all the featured channels I want on my channel, and so I'm just going to come down here and click this blue done button. Okay, now you'll see straight away the featured channels box has updated. It has the new title, subscribe to these channels. The new channel I just added is now at the top of the list here. The other channels are still there and it all looks good. So I hope this video has been helpful and you were able to follow along and found it easy. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, click the bell, and if you have any video suggestions for my future videos, please let me know in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye!